Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, of course, we're going to be testing out the new Beauty Bay new romantic collection, which I have right here. They very kindly sent this over to me, so I thought I would make a video and let you guys know my thoughts and first impressions. Obviously the collection consists of a liquid eyeshadow trio, which I'll show you in a sec, and of course the eyeshadow palette. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is back out the way. Now time to show you what this all looks like. I'm sure you've all seen it before though. And can I just say, this packaging is beautiful. I love the baby pink and how like the lettering is done. It's just so beautiful, perfect for like a Valentine's theme, of course. Now I think you get 10 mattes and 10 shimmers, so I think it's like 50-50 even split. And this is what she looks like. Super stunning. I'm obsessed. Shall we do a few swatches? Yeah, let's do it. I don't normally do that, but why not? Let's do some of the shimmers first. So we've got Oyster, Queen, let's do Raspberry, and then let's do Royal. This is what they look like there. Beauty Bay shimmers are normally top notch, so I have good expectations for these. They look super nice so far, but obviously you can't really tell much from a swatch, but they do look insanely beautiful and pigmented. Let's just give these a little swatcheroo. That is what those four are looking like there. Insanely gorgeous in my opinion. What do you guys think? Am I in focus? I think so. Right, now let's do some of the mattes. So first off, I'm drawn to this one here called Milkshake. And then let's do Flamingo, because I love flamingos. And then what else shall we do? Let's go for Mars, this brownie-ish one. And let's also try our Ink, the black one. Okay, they look good so far, super promising. So let's switch these on my hand. They look decent as well. Excited to get these on my eyeballs. And then of course we have this eyeshadow trio, the Liquid Crystal eyeshadow trio. Let's just open her up and get them out if I can. They don't want to come out. They're like, nope, you're not using me today. There we go. So we have, no idea how to say that one, Carnelian, I think, Morgana, and I have no clue, I'm really sorry, but I'll just show you them up close. Hopefully that's focused. This is what they all look like. So let's give them a little swatcheroo. I've done these in the most awkwardest position, but that is what those three look like just there. Hopefully you can see that okay. Okay, so I also forgot to mention that this collection is cruelty free and vegan, which is amazing. So let's just zoom you in a bit. That'll do. Please excuse these brows, like they're just not staying down. I don't know what's gone wrong today, but as usual, I'm having brow issues. Just go ahead and prime my eyelid using the favourite P. Louise base. Just pat that out. Just nearly put myself in the eye. This is in the shade number 2, if any of you were wondering. So without further ado, let's delve into the palette. I think to start off with, I'm going to take a bit of the shade here, this like dark pinky one called Claret, I think. Claret, I'm not really sure, but I'm taking it on this Peaches and Cream PC38 brush. Let's just dip my brush in there. Little bit of kickback, but nothing major, and that never really bothers me anyway. So let's just start to pack her. Oh, okay. Hi pigment, we see you. So pretty. I think I mentioned this already, but I do normally love Beauty Bay palettes. Like, I've never had an issue with them before, so this one hopefully should be no different. I think I'm just going to keep it simple and just do some sort of like cut crease type thing as per usual. No change there. This is applying so beautifully. The pigmentation is insane. I'm in love. And then next up, I'm going to take this shade on the end here called Smoothie, just on that same brush. And place that right above. These shades are just like blending into themselves. Like, I've not even done any blending yet, and it basically looks like they're already blended, which I'm like, how? How is that even possible? But I'm not complaining. Hopefully that means they'll be super easy to actually blend out. I'm happy with that. That shade is beautiful, just like the first one. The fact that these palettes are so affordable and they're such great quality as well, like this, I don't think I actually mentioned, this is £15, and for 20 shades you really can't complain. Like, that is such a steal in my opinion. And then next I'm going to take a little bit of Milkshake, this lovely bright corally pink, on the same brush of course because I'm lazy. Ain't nobody got time to be switching brushes. Ooh, hello. You are stunning. I'm now just going to take that first shade that we used and intensify that a bit more. Just like that. Now time to blend out the edges. I'm going to take a mix of Birthday and Vanilla on this Morphe brush. See how they all blend out. Blend, blend, blend. Blend till your arm falls off. Going well so far. Still haven't fluffed my eyebrows, but never mind. Who gives a fluff? Oh, just had to take my headband off because it was hurting my head because I have quite a large head and most headbands are quite tight on me. But yeah, let's continue on. Just gonna start to blend out that first shade into the others. These are blending so effortlessly. I hope this palette isn't limited edition like the Book of Magic, because I think they have like discontinued that and that was one of my favourite palettes from them. So hopefully this one stays around a bit longer, but who knows, we shall see. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know what the camera's saying, it disagrees with me, but I am really happy with how that is looking so far. I'm now going to take a little bit of micellar water on a cotton bud to cut my crease. I never normally do this step on camera, but I thought today, why not give it a shot? I find that using the micellar water with the cotton bud just makes it so much easier and leaves it nice and clean for the base to go down. So that is all done. I think for the lid shade I'm going to take the shade Morgana from the Liquid Eyeshadow Trio. It just is this one here. This is what she looks like, super beautiful. I've ever tried one of Beauty Bay's liquid eyeshadows before. It's like a purpley sort of shade. I don't know if these are the same formula or if they're different, but let's put it on my eyeballs. Just paint her right on. It seems quite liquidy, so I'm not sure if I'm going to have to like set this with a powder shadow, but we shall see. But she is very beautiful. Sliding on nicely. Goes really well with the rest of the colours in my opinion. I don't know whether I should have like shook this up first. Maybe that's why it's quite liquidy. I'm not too sure. Okay, that's better. My bad. I did not know she needed to shake it up, but it's okay. Okay, I'm just now going to set that with a teeny little bit of this shade called Raspberry. A nice shimmery pink. Just because it's quite a wet formula, so I don't want it to like slip and slide around. I think I need a bigger brush. And then I'm just also going to take some of Oyster just here and pop her on my brow bone because she is gorgeous. I've really been into like brow bone highlight lately. Something different for me. I never used to do that, but I've gotten into it more recently. Oh yes. Bloody beautiful. So gorgeous. I love it. Right, so as always I'm going to go off camera, do my other eye, and also today do my base makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I have finished the look and let's talk about my final thoughts on the collection. So overall I would give this new romantic collection from Beauty Bay a 10 out of 10. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's a beautiful collection. The eyeshadows are so pigmented, they blend like an absolute dream. They are just amazing. I love the liquid eyeshadows as well, they're also beautiful. They look stunning on the lids and they are just amazing. Beauty Bay absolutely nailed this collection in my opinion. And I can't wait to see what else they bring out in the future or near future, but this collection is just amazing. If you're on the fence, definitely go and grab it. I'll make sure to leave a link below in the description for you all. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and it would mean a lot if you would click that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys!